Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, and in this video, I'm going to be going over my top reasons to buy the new Google Pixel 4. So let's get started. So this device is actually the Google Pixel 4 XL, but everything I talk about in this video applies to both the XL and regular Google Pixel 4, so keep that in mind. Now the first reason to buy this device is because of its really great looking display. The Google Pixel 4 XL features a 6.3-inch display at 1440p. This display features P-OLED technology, so it's really great looking with excellent colors. It has really good saturation too. It's very crisp overall, and it's excellent for watching video content, going on social media, and browsing the web. And of course, if you decide to play games on this phone, the picture is going to look really good too. Now the phone features a PPI of 537, so an extremely high PPI, and we're getting a 19:9 aspect ratio. So kind of a thinner but taller display here, which means that even if you have smaller hands, the phone will be very easy to hold and use. So Google nailed it when sourcing the display technology to include in the Pixel 4 XL. The second reason to buy this phone is because of its build quality. Now the Pixel 4 is available in 3 different colors. You can get it in just black, clearly white, and oh so orange. Now this is the clearly white color. Some people refer to this as the Pixel 4 Panda Edition, just because the colors here look like a panda. But what's really cool about this color is that you also get some of the other colors included. So you get a black band running around the sides of the phone, and you get the orange color included in the power button here. So I think it's just a very unique and good looking phone. It's also a very clean design too. So if you're more of a minimalist, then you'll definitely like the design of the Pixel 4. The third reason to buy the Google Pixel 4 is because of its really amazing camera quality. Now, Pixel devices have a long-going reputation for featuring some of the best photo and video quality in the smartphone industry, and the Pixel 4 definitely continues that trend. With this device, we're getting a 12-megapixel main camera and a 16-megapixel telephoto camera. So if you're looking to zoom in on things and not lose quality, then the telephoto camera definitely comes in handy with that. Now the 12-megapixel main camera actually is a little bit wider than your typical camera that you get on a smartphone. Now don't be confused and think that it's an ultra wide angle camera. Unfortunately, you don't get that on the Pixel 4, but it is a little bit wider than your typical camera. But you're going to get incredible photo and video quality with the phone. You of course get portrait mode here, and you get a very unique night sight feature. So it doesn't matter whether it's day or night, you're going to be able to take very clear looking photos with the Pixel 4. So, for example, I took some photos with this night sight mode, and it really pulled all kinds of light out of nowhere. So the pictures I were taking were lighter and clearer than what I was viewing with my own eyes. So I don't know where this light comes from, I don't know how this technology works, but the phone really is able to light things up and create photos that look super clear, even if it's in a low light situation. Now with the Google Pixel 4, you're getting some of the most advanced face unlocking technology that you can get with an Android phone. Now the technology that's featured up here in the top bezel is very similar to the technology that you'll find with the face unlocking with the iPhone 11 with Face ID. I'm not exactly sure how the technology itself works, but what's nice is that you're able to unlock the phone with your face way quicker than the traditional Android face unlocking that you do with any other Android phone out there. And it works whether it's day or night, light or dark, it doesn't matter. The face unlock is super accurate and super quick. And that's a good thing that this does work really well because you do not get a fingerprint sensor with the Pixel 4. Now another really cool thing about the Google Pixel 4 is this new feature called Motion Sense. So the device features a radar built into the top here, and what that does essentially is gives you the ability to use Motion Sense. Now Motion Sense will work with your favorite music apps, it'll work with your alarms, it'll even work with YouTube. So let me show you how this works exactly with YouTube. So I'm playing this video right now, and if I want to switch to the next video, all I have to do is swipe my hand over the display, and it moves over to the next video. I can move my hand the other way to go back to the previous video, and it's super quick and really accurate. This works way better than other implementations of this concept that I've seen with other Android phones in the past, And a big part of that definitely has to be due to the radar technology built into the top of the device. So in case you're wondering, the Google Pixel 4 starts at $799 for the standard Pixel 4. Then if you want to get the Pixel 4 XL, you can get that for $899. So this is the XL, of course, so this is $899. And if you want to upgrade to 128 gigabytes of internal storage from the baseline 64 gigabytes of storage, it's an extra $100. So this actually is the 128 gigabyte version of the Google Pixel 4 XL. So this does retail at $999. But if you are interested in picking up this device, no matter what configuration, take a look at the link in the video description. You'll also be able to see the most up-to-date pricing over there as well. So those are some of the top reasons to buy the Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. So I'm really curious to know what you think of all those different things that I pointed out in this video and what you think of the Google Pixel 4 overall. I'd also like to let you know that I am part of Team Pixel, but everything that I've discussed are my own opinions, and that's the way they wanted it to be. But this is a gift from Google, and if you're interested in checking out more content about the Pixel 4 on social media, definitely look up the hashtags Team Pixel and Pixel 4 to see what other people in the Team Pixel community have been posting about this phone. But thanks for watching this video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video.